Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. For today's technique, I'll be making a tarragon honey mustard glaze and spread. It's a simple recipe, so I'll let you get right to the video. I truly hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you later. This wonderfully tasty tarragon honey mustard glaze and spread I'll be using in a sandwich I'm making later this month. I've already used it as a glaze on the Cornish hens I've made for the holidays. I'll include a link to that video in the description. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and technique, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. Share on all media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. What are you waiting for? And if you are one of my subscribers, make sure your notification bell is turned on so you won't miss any new videos. Make sure you be the blessing to someone today, and as always in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I will see you next time.